Let's start with downward dog. Feet in hip distance. Pedal your heels one by one. Deep inhale and deep exhale through your nose. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Bend your knee, stack your hip. Your shoulders should parallel to the ground. Inhale, level up your hip, extend your right leg. Exhale, release. Inhale, left leg up, bend your knee, stack your hip. Inhale, level up, extend your leg, release, exhale. Inhale, look forward, exhale, jump or hop, bend your knees. If possible, insert that slide your palm below your feet. Head hangs heavy. Shake yes. Shake no. Gently release your hands. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, open your mouth, side out, forward fold. Couple more. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, side out, forward fold. Bend your knees. Slowly vertebrate by vertebrate. Come all the way to standing pose. Head comes last. Roll your shoulders back. Inhale, arms up, palms touching each other. Little bit back bend. Exhale, hands to heart center. Couple more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, arms up, look up. Exhale, forward fold. Jump back to high plank. Inhale, bring your body front. Exhale, both knees down. Bend your elbows. Chest down, pelvis down. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, back to downward dog. Inhale, look front, jump. Exhale, breath. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, all the way to standing, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half lift, flat back. Exhale, jump back to high plank. Inhale, bring your body front. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. In exhale breath, low plank. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, back to downward dog. Inhale, look front, jump. Exhale, breath. Inhale, all the way to standing, palms stretching each other, little bit back bend. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, release your hands, jump back to high plank. Inhale, bring your body front. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, send your right leg up. Exhale, drive your right foot beside your right thumb and adjust your back foot to warrior one. 45 degrees angle. Your heels should be aligned. Bring your body up. Just rotate your hip to forward, front, like this. If possible, arms up. Sink deep into your front leg. Relax your shoulders. Deep inhale and deep exhale through your nose. Warrior one. Inhale, lengthen, exhale to warrior two. Back leg, that pinky edge should parallel to the edge of your yoga mat. Extend your arms. Your gaze over to your right hand. Relax your shoulders. Warrior two. Virabhadrasana two. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, slide your left hand along with your left leg. Extend your right arm up. Look up. Reverse warrior. Inhale, back to warrior two. Exhale, right elbow on your right knee, side angle pose. Left arm up over top of your head, palm facing down. Sink deep into your right leg. Side angle pose. Inhale, back to warrior two. Exhale, straighten your right leg. Extend your arms. Inhale. Exhale. Triangle pose. Inhale, release. Then rotate your right foot to front. So wide-legged forward fold. Hands to your hip. Inhale, open your chest. Look up. Exhale, hinge forward. Release your hands. Deep inhale and deep exhale. Inhale, half lift. Root your left hand beneath, just below your face. Extend your right arm up and roll your shoulder, right shoulder back. Look up. Gently release your right hand down and send your left arm up and look up. Release. Slowly bring your body up. Now change to warrior two. Bend your right leg. Windmill your both hands on either side of your right foot and roll the ball of your back foot. Send your right foot back to downward dog. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, cycle through Chaturanga Dandasana. Exhale, low plank. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, back to downward dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left foot beside your left arm. Back foot to warrior one pose. Bring your body up. Square up your hip. Arms up. Warrior one. Relax your shoulders. Deep inhale and deep exhale through your nose. Inhale, exhale, warrior two. Gaze over to your left hand. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, slide your right hand along with your right leg. Extend your left arm up. Reverse warrior. Inhale, back to warrior two. Exhale, bend your left arm, left elbow on your left knee. Send your right arm up. If available, over top of your head. Palm facing down. Side angle pose. Inhale, back to warrior two. Straighten your left leg. Triangle pose. Inhale, exhale, windmill your left hand inside of your left leg. Extend your right arm up. Triangle pose. Release. Bend your right leg. Windmill your hands on either side of your right foot. Then roll your left foot to high lunge pose. Then send your send your left foot back to downward dog. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, low plank. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, back to downward dog. Inhale, look forward, jump. Chair pose. Your feet in hip distance. Chair pose, if available, arms up. Utkatasana. Hands to your heart center. Inhale, hinge forward. Exhale, left elbow on your right knee. If possible, transfer your weight into your right leg. Slowly send your left foot back to high lunge. If possible, open your wings. Slowly release. Bring your hands to the center. Bring your left foot beside your right foot. Then other side. Right elbow on your left knee. If possible, send your right foot back. Open your wings. Release hands to your heart center and release on either side of your left foot. Send your left foot back to downward dog. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, low plank. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, back to downward dog. Few breaths in child's resting pose. Big toes touch, knees apart. Relax your body. Inhale, lift your head, lift your elbow. Exhale, walk your hands over to right side. Then and relax. Side stretch. Inhale, Lift your head, lift your elbow. Walk your hands to center. Exhale. Walk over to left side and relax your head. Inhale, release. Invite your body to all fours, tabletop. Knees in hip distance, just below your hip. Hands in shoulder width. Cat cow pose. Inhale, belly down, open your chest, look up. Exhale, tuck your belly in, curl your spine, tuck your chin. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last one. Come to all the way to standing pose. Mountain pose, Tadasana. Feet in hip distance. Roll your shoulders back, palm facing front. Relax your shoulders. Little bit tuck your chin, close your eyes. Deep inhale and deep exhale through your nose. Inhale, arms up. Hold your right wrist. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, bend over to left side. If possible, lift your right leg up. Slowly release, release, other side. Catch your left wrist. Inhale, tall spine, exhale, bend over to right side. If available, lift your left leg up. Slowly release. Inhale, arms up, look up, palms stretching each other, little bit back bend. Release your hands to your hip. Tree pose, Vrikshasana. Right leg up. Over to right side. Place your right foot either above or below your left knee. Hands to your heart center or over top of your head. Palms touching each other. Hands to your heart center. Release your right leg and place your right foot cross over your left, with both pinkies touching each other. Inhale, tall spine. Exhale, forward fold. Slowly release, bring your body up, release your feet, in hip distance, the tree pose in other side, hands to your hip. Inhale, left leg up to the side and place either above or below your right knee. That's hands to your heart center or above your head, palms touching each other. Deep inhale and deep exhale through your nose. Release your hands to your hip. Release your left leg and place your left foot cross over your right foot, pinkies touching each other. Inhale, exhale, forward fold. Slowly release. Release your feet. Shake, 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 shake. Lie down on your back. Hug your knees. Gently rock side to side. Happy baby. Rock side to side. Release your feet in hip distance, closer to your buttocks. Glutes. Inhale, bridge pose. Inhale, lift your hip, lift your chest. Roll your right shoulder in, left shoulder in. Interlock your fingers. Release your arms. Slowly bring your body down. Hug your right leg in. Extend your left leg down to the mat. Now catch your right knee with your left hand. Extend your right arm and take your right leg over to left side. Gaze over to right side. Final twist. Slowly bring your right leg to the center and release your right leg down and hug your left leg in. Catch your left knee with your right hand. Extend your left arm out and take your left leg over to right side. Gaze over to left side. Gently bring your leg to the center. Hug your final hug. Hug your knees. Inhale, squeeze, 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 squeeze. Exhale to final savasana. Feet in mat width, toes facing away from each other, arms beside your body in 45-degree angle. Palms face the ceiling. Let your fingers naturally curl. Little bit tuck your chin. Close your eyes. Keep a little gap between your jaws. Rest your tongue in your lower jaw. If you have any wrinkles, please relax. Relax your whole body. Gently wiggle your toes, fingers, ankles, wrist. Rock your head side to side. Inhale, give a big morning stretch. Exhale, bend your knees, roll your body over to right side. Rest your head on your right arm as a pillow. Slowly come to comfortable seated position. Om